Welcome, everyone. This is a brief orientation made to help you familiarize yourselves with our webinar platform. Once you enter the meeting, you will see a pop-up option that says Join with Computer Audio. Please click on this when you see it, as it will ensure that you can hear the presentation. Once you clicked that, you have entered the webinar platform. Since this is a presentation-style webinar with a large number of participants, we will keep all of you muted to keep things running smoothly. If you aren't sure whether or not you are muted, here's how you can tell. Bring your attention to the lower left corner of your screen, in which you will see two icons, a microphone and a video camera. If there is a red line crossed over the microphone icon, this means you are muted and you do not need to take any further action. If there is no red line, this means you must click on the icon to mute yourself. And please be sure to remain muted throughout the rest of the presentation. We also want to make sure that your video is turned off. This only applies to people who have webcams on their computers. If there is a red line through the video camera icon, this means your video is turned off and you do not need to take any further action. If there is no red line, please click the video icon to turn off your video, and it is to remain turned off for the rest of the presentation. During the webinar, you may have questions or comments, which may be submitted to the presenter in the platform's group chat. To participate in this group chat, please bring your attention to the icons located at the bottom center of the screen. Click the speech bubble labeled Chat, and the chat box will pop up on the right-hand side of your screen. Near the bottom, you will see a box in which you can type your message. Please be sure to select the option Questions from the drop-down menu above the message box, so we know to direct your questions and comments to the presenter. Once you finish typing your message, press the Enter key on your keyboard to send it. If you still have any questions, email us at info@delamorainstitute.com. You can also call our office at 407-677-4155.